Necessity of a working basis. Substantial progress in any field of endeavor is impossible in the absence of a working basis, which is universal in its application. You can become skilled in the operation of your subconscious mind. You can practice its power with the certainty of result and extract proportion of your knowledge of its principle and to your application of them for definite specific purpose and goal you wish to achieve. Being a former chemist, I would like to improve out that if you combine hydrogen and oxygen in the proportion of two atoms of the former to one of the latter, what will be the result? You are very familiar with the fact that one atom of oxygen and one atom of carbon will produce carbon monoxide, a poisonous gas. But if you add another atom of oxygen, you will get carbon dioxide, a harmless gas. So, no, though it the vast realm of the chemical compounds. You must not think that the principle of chemistry, physics, and mathematics differ from the principle of your subconscious mind. Let us consider a generally accepted principle on level. This is the universal principle which is applicable to water everywhere. Consider under principle metal expand when heated. This is true anywhere. At any time and under all circumstances, you can heat a piece of steel and it will expand regardless whether the steel is found in China, England, or India. It is a universal truth that matter expands when heated. It is also a universal truth that whatever you impress on your subconscious mind is expressed on the phone screen of space as condition, experience, and event. Your prayer is answered because your subconscious mind is principle, and by principle I mean the way a thing works. For example, the principle of electricity is that work from a higher to a lower potential. You don't change the principle of electricity when you use it, but by cooperating with the nature, you can bring forth marvelous invention and discoveries which bless humanity in countless ways. Your subconscious mind is a principle and that working according to the law of belief. You must know what belief is, why it works, and how it works. Your Bible say in a simple, clear, and beautiful way, whosoever shall say unto this mountain, be thou removed and be thou cast in the seas, and shall not doubt in his heart, but shall believe that those things which be said shall come to pass. He shall be whatsoever be said. The law of your mind is the law of belief. This means to believe in the way your mind works, to believe itself. The belief of your mind is thought of your mind. That is simple. Just that and nothing else. All your experience, even condition, and actors, the reactions of your subconscious mind of your thoughts. Remember, it is not the thing believed in, but the belief in your own mind which bring about the result. Since believing is the false belief, opinions, superstitious, and the fear of mankind begin to believe in the eternal varieties and the truth of life, which never change. Then you will move onward, upward, and Godward. Whoever read this book and apply the principle of the subconscious mind, reign set forth, will be able to pray scientifically and effectively for himself and for others. Their prayer is answered according to the universal law of action and reaction. Thought is incipient action, and the reaction is the response from your subconscious mind, which correspond with the nature of your thought. Busy your mind with this concept of harmony, health, peace, and goodwill, and the wonders will happen in your life.